Yeah.
So we will start now with the pressure high, what we discussed for the first test separator. And yesterday we have seen the level high and low. And today we will start with a first stage separator. First stage separator. So yesterday we have seen up to here. This is the duplicate, and I have inserted one column here to make unique or typical one. And I have also added one requirement as suggested by the guru and team, that we will also see suppression and grouping allowed if this alarms needs suppression. So guys, we will use both because this will make the holistic approach, and we will discuss the suppression requirement or grouping requirement, if any. So let us start with the PSAL. So Emmanuel, can you please share your screen and let us start with PSAL?
What happened with the PNID I sent to Bhargav and Amin?
This PNID I have.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, I think better to share the PNID, although I can share it, but
yeah, I think better because you are a process guy, so you will be better and faster, so that we don't waste time. I can also open it, but it will be better
okay,
for
no
you
problem.
from your side. Yeah.
No issue, no issue. So which one is the tag number that we will see now?
And this PSAL 30901.
PS, PSAL 020901. This is a low pressure trip for our first stage separator. You see here? Everyone seeing the, yeah.
Yes. So this is to what is the purpose of this alarm?
This is for the low pressure trip of the first stage separator. So when you experience low pressure, you need to close your vapor outlet.
Okay, this is the trip, right?
Yeah, this is a trip. Yes.
Okay, so guys, I will highlight here so that we understand this is done.
So now you can share your screen.
Yeah, sure. I will share my screen. So this PSL I have highlighted here. We are reviewing it. So of course, this is the process upset.
Abnormal. Yes.
Yeah. And this is valid as per the definition. This is a typical, so it's not unique. This will go. This will, yeah. So here,